Court has lost its credibility. Wala nang kwenta yung Supreme Court na yan.
Thank you. So, on a related question,
Motion to ask the Senate to act on this decision.
Dapat huwag nila sundin because the Senate, the Congress are independent, co-equal body. Ay, paano ngayon yan in the future? Halimbawa, may mag-file ng case against one justice of the Supreme Court. Sasabihin ngayon ng Supreme Court ang constitutional. Hindi na matutuloy. Wala na. No one will ever be impeached from now on. Tapos sasabihin nila, kasi daw maraming complaint, allowed lang once a year. Marami yung nag-file, pero iisa lang yung dinala sa plenary. And that what counts most, kung alon yung dinala sa plenary. Hindi naman, hindi sa susunod, pag may gusto ka lang magpa-impeach sa'yo, sasabihin mo lang sa mga kaibigan, mga 10, 12 kayo, mag-file kayo ng iba-ibang kaso. Di wala na.